Dear students, in my last video, I explained you the format of imagination-based articles. To continue with that, today I am here again with the imaginative-based articles with examples. So today we'll take the first example. That means in this you have to imagine yourself as the principal of school. So in this you can imagine yourself as a principal of your own school also. So what thing you really want to introduce in your school as a principal, that you can write. It can be for one day, or it can be that you are the permanent principal of your school. So it is just the imagination way. So you can add, if for one day I become the principal of my school, or if I were the principal of my school. So it can be started with the very first line in this manner only. So I'm reading here: if I were the principal of my school, I will do my best to maintain its reputation. See, the main responsibility of the principal is to maintain the reputation. I mean, the way it was working earlier, that is to be continued. So I would take certain steps to give some relaxation in studies. So this thing, like as a child you want some relaxation in studies, as every time you have to do your studies only, so that students may enjoy that day. So if you are becoming a principal for a particular day, that means you really want to make full enjoyment for the children. So I would make teaching easy with games, but surely I will take care of discipline. So you have to take care of discipline even though you are introducing your studies with games. I would give emphasis on punctuality and regularity of all. So in that the students, teachers or the other staff members all are included. I would make spoken English compulsory for all. I would introduce smart teaching in smart classes for overall development of students. I would maintain friendly relation with school staff and healthy atmosphere for students. So this line can be important one, like friendly relations with the school staff, means school teachers and other staff members, and healthy atmosphere for the students, so that they can easily share their problems or their any if they are feeling any kind of problem in their studies. So I would like to take all the best measures to make my school as one of the topmost school of the city. This I have already told you, that the ending should be in a positive manner, that you really want to work for the welfare of the students as well as for the school. Now we will take the one more example, that is if I were a doctor. See, in a doctor also, like you people have seen so many, like nowadays we are facing this epidemic. So in that also the most important role is of a doctor itself. So seeing all this, serving them to all human beings, it may happens that this kind of thing comes to your mind also. So if I were a doctor, so again your introduction, that the writer name will be there, and then doing service to the human beings is my dream, and for this service I always dream of being a doctor and serving human beings. If I were a doctor, now if I were a doctor, it means that you become a doctor, I would treat the patient very patiently. So most of the time, as that most of the doctors, they remain calm and patient whenever they are treating the patients. They have to keep their volume down, they have to be calm. So this thing you will also continue. Now I would give my service free of cost. So this thing is also important, as the most of the doctors, they charges some of their fee for any of the treatment if they are giving you. But as a doctor you want to do the human beings service free of cost. So along with my service I would try to give free medicines to poor people. So the poor people, they can't afford the costly medicines, so that for them you want to introduce that some free medicines should be given. I would organize free checkup camps for poor and needy people. So you want to introduce some camps also for the poor and needy people, those who can't afford those camps or the costly camps. I would love to open one hospital in remote areas. Remote areas, here you can say that in a village, to help the ignorant and innocent village people. So the village people, they are actually ignorant, they don't know how to get treatment or what kind of disease they are suffering, they are even unaware of their healthy environment. So all those things will be guided by a doctor itself, and in being a doctor you would love to help them. I would thank God to give me an opportunity to serve humanity. So this can be the ending line also. You can add something else also if something else comes to your mind. I hope the things are clear to you people and you will do all these articles carefully. Thank you.